Use the intercept method to sketch a graph of y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Let's start with the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0. If we do that, we get 0 equals 1/2 x plus 4. And we have to solve for x. This might seem a little more complicated than the last few problems. And the reason that's the case is because in this one, x is on one side of the equation and y is on the other side of the equation. This method, the intercept method, works best when the x and the y are on the same side. If we have something in the form ax plus by equals c. Some number times x plus some number times y equals a constant, like 3x plus 2y equals 6. But this format is different. In this case, we have y on one side and x on the other side. And the next topic that we're going to cover is a method that works really well here. But we can still do the math. We can still solve for x. We have an equation that has a fraction in it. And whenever we have an equation with fractions, we can get rid of them by multiplying both sides by the LCD. In this case, the LCD is 2. If we multiply both sides by 2, that gives us 0 on the left. If we distribute the 2 on the right, 2 times 1/2 x is just x, and 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 0 equals x plus 8. And if we subtract 8 from both sides, this gives us -8 equals x. So we have our x-intercept. It is -8. So on the x-axis, I go to the left 8 all the way to -8, and I plot my point there. Now let's find the y-intercept. The y-intercept happens when x equals 0. So we're going to let x equals 0. So now we have y equals 1/2 times 0 for x plus 4. Anything times 0 is 0. So we just have 0 plus 4, which of course is 4. So that means the y-intercept is 4. So on the y-axis, I'm going to go up to 4 and put a point there. And then we're going to connect these 2 points with a straight line, as straight as I can make it at least. And we have our graph of y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Now we want to pick a point that we can use to check that we have the right line. And on mine, it looks like our line goes through the point -4, 2. So let's check to see that -4, 2 satisfies this equation. We have y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Well, in this case, y is 2 equals 1/2 times x, which is -4 plus 4. We want to see if this is true. So we have 2 equals 1/2 times -4 is -2 plus 4. And -2 plus 4 is +2. So we get 2 equals 2, which is a true fact. So that tells us that that point satisfies the equation. So the line should be going through that point, which tells us we probably have the right line. The next method that we learn for graphing lines is going to be slope-intercept form. The next method is going to be a lot easier in this example. We're going to be able to graph it without doing any calculations at all. I promise you, you will love it.